Welcome everybody. Myself Saman Siddesh. Title of our project Biofill Toilet Biodigester Application and Uses in Residential Building. Guided by Mr. Soham Chaudhary. Submitted by Parab Sahil Sanjay, Pawar Sahil Suresh, Saman Siddesh Vijay, Munde Apurva Bhalchandra, Rathod Ankush Ganpat. Content of our project is Introduction, the Biofill Toilet System, how it works, the main drivers of the biofill system, biofill digester as a flush system, potential drawbacks and maintenance. Introduction. The composite of the gases produced by this type of biodigester is about 60% methane, 30% carbon dioxide and rest is the hydrogen sulfide. Choosing a right biogas digester is very important while constructing a biogas plant. Introduction. The composition of the gases produced by this type of biodigester is about 60% methane, 30% carbon dioxide and the rest is hydrogen sulfide. Choosing a right biogas digester is a very important while constructing a biogas plant. From the standpoint of fluid dynamics and structural strength, an X-shaped vessel is about the best possible standpoint solution. This type of construction, however, is comparatively expensive, therefore, its use is usually restricted to large scale sewage treatment plants. The Chinese fixed dome designs are of similar shape but less expensive. The hemispherical Chemetech design is optimized in structural solution but does not make optimal use of excavation required. Human waste disposal in innocuous form is an ever-growing problem leading to aesthetic nuisance, threat of organic pollution, and several infectious diseases in epidemic proportion due to contamination of groundwater and drinking water resources in highly populated and developing countries like India. Less than 30% of Indians have access to the toilets. In rural area, about 10% of houses serve toilet and rest of the people go to open defecation. Population in the cities although have better access to the toilet but only to the tune of 70%. Untreated waste is responsible for several diseases.
Myself Apura Munde and I am going to explain in the topic of the biofuel toilet system. The toilet facility that made good sanitation sense. The biodigester is a simple, compact, on-site organic waste treatment system that uniquely combines the benefit of the flush toilet and those of the composting toilet and eliminate the disadvantages and the drawback of the both system. Further images are the example of the biofuel toilet system. How it works? The biofuel digester technology mimics the decomposition found under forest floor and other natural environment. Living organism, both microorganisms and macroorganisms such as the earthworm. In an enclosed environment, treat all organic degradable matter through the natural process of aerobic decomposition. Wastewater and fecal matters enter at the top of the biofuel digester where rapid separation of soil and liquid contents of the water occurs. The digester is the essential biological filter consisting of a medium of soil and previous concrete. Bac- The digester operates as a filter via first rapid separation of solid and liquid, second aerobic composition of solid and third biofuels filtration of wastewater. For maximum sanitation effect, the biofuel microflush toilet system is designed to integrate and hand washing. And the further images of the cross section of the biofuel digester system.
I am Sahil Parab. I am going to explain you the main drivers of the biofuel system. So the first is good sanitization practice. Basically, biofuel digester is a completely aerobic. It requires minimum maintenance and needs no mechanical or electrical aeration of solid mass to achieve decomposition. There is no need for human contact with excreta, no odors or sludge generated in the system to attract insect or spread germs. Design consideration of system, that is, make it possible for rodents to burrow into digester unlike conventional pit latrines. Second one is minimum land intake. The basic digester is 2 feet by 2 feet by 6 feet, means 600 mm by 600 mm by 1800 mm, and so land take is minimized. Third is number of users. The typical digester can accommodate 25 users in microflush setting and 10 users when operated as a flush unit. These are the average typical uses as the digester can tolerate occasion heavier use. Fourth one is environmental friendliness. Because the digester and effluent pipes are always installed above the groundwater table, water contamination is completely eliminated. The waste is treated under complete aerobic conditions, eliminating odor and air pollution. The system eliminates the possibility of costly site remediation and cleanup. Fifth one is portable water savings. Biofilter water from digester is an idea for landscaping in the case of flush toilets. Sixth one is health impact mitigation. The hazards of unsafe hand sanitization includes diseases like cholera, dysentery, scabies, and intestinal worms, and environmental pollution. Biofield toilets are as well as ventilated, well illuminated, and meet the people's specific needs of user groups. Misuse of toilets and open defecation is often avoided. Seventh one is ecological impact mitigation. The system eliminates ground or surface water and air contamination. It has a potential of reducing greenhouse gas emissions through the avoidance methane emissions directly into the atmosphere.
Myself, Sahil Pawar. I am explaining biofuel digester as a flush system. When the biofuel digester is used in homes, office, and other commercial properties for treating septic waste, it totally replaces the traditional septic tanks. It may be installed above ground or depending on groundwater condition. All the plumbing within the building remain unchanged. For toilet located on the ground floors, we recommended that P-trap VC toilets bowl be used in areas with high groundwater tables or it in area where installation of the biofuel digester have to be above ground. Septic tanks requires regular cleaning. Biofuel digester does not require regular cleaning. Septic tanks are not ideal for water-logged areas. Biofuel digesters are suitable for all soil conditions.
Myself, Ankush Rathod. I would like to explain you all about potential drawbacks and maintenance. The biofuel digester is an aerobic system and must never be subjected to flooding. In many instances, the digester must be installed above ground level and always above the highest groundwater table level. When used as plus, unit blockage of influent line can be a problem. This will usually manifest as flooding or reduced draining rate of the digester. The system is easily restored when the blockage is rectified. When use a microflush system, this problem does not arise. These are the live example of current biofuel system application in Ghana, located in Africa. Uh, these images are visual representation of our project. Thank you.